Salamat sa lahat ng kababaihan na lumaban para magkaroon tayo ng mas malawak na options sa panahon ngayon. Alam naman natin in the past, women were oppressed. We still are in some ways, but now it's more open. Parang we are more respected. Men actually look up to women now, unlike before, na they want women to be at home lang. Gusto lang nila na they will produce babies lang, make a family grow bigger. Yun lang, to clean the dishes, to cook the food, and to clean the house. But ngayon, because the women of yesterday fought for it, now we have choices, we can vote. It's so weird that just konting years ago, hindi pa nakakaboto ang mga babae. And now, di ba, we have women actually seated as public officials who, you know, have good. And hindi ko sinasabing lahat, ha? Yun lang po. Thank you.
I love it.
Kamusta po kayo?
Yes.
Kamusta po? Okay po kayo?
Parang ano,
Buti naman.
gusto ko na i-end yung interview on a strong note na yun eh. Diba? I love
Hindi
it.
tayo para manahimik. Charing.
Yes! Stand up for what is right.